Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I have a small project share for you guys, and it's actually an Easter one. Even though Easter is over with, I realized I had some things that I had made that I never got to share with you guys. And I know a lot of you guys, some of you anyway, are still working on Easter things. So I thought, well, why not just share it? Just to give you guys some ideas, more ideas. So I had made some cute little bunnies. First of all, these are not gifts, but my daughter and I had made this a while back. These little bunnies. These are made out of pipe cleaners. This was like, oh my gosh, I think back in March, maybe even February. I can't remember because it's been a while. But I saw a tutorial by, I want to say Turtle Creations, I think. I will leave her link down below. And I thought they were the cutest things, and she made little bears as well. And anyway, we had made this pre-Easter, and I forgot to share it. And they're just the cutest things. We put little bunny butts on the back, little pom-pom tails, and I just thought it was the cutest thing. So yeah. Two of them are my daughter's, and I made one for myself. But I will make sure I put the link in the description box so you guys can check her out. So that's one of the things that I didn't get to share. And then I had made these little treat boxes. These are so cute, you guys. Using my Lawn Fawn. It was the tiny box, I think it's called, and then the add-on to that, which is the Easter Bunny. I don't even remember what it's called, you guys, but I thought these were super cute, and I kind of made these after I got my die, and I didn't get to share, so they are super cute. And again, I put little bunny butts on the back. And they're so cute. I was going to put candy in here, but I realized all my candy are big. So what I decided to do instead, and I'm just going to put some of these in there. Let's just kind of put this together. I decided, this is stuff that Erica had given me in my package, and I thought I'd use it because I love it. I really should save it for my unicorn project that I plan to do sometime. But I thought that would be really cute. But so instead of putting candy in there, because I already have a little Easter basket that I'm putting candy in, I thought I would give the girls sequins. And so I made these cute little containers here. I mean, I bought these at the Dollar Tree. I was going to use a different container, but this one fit perfectly inside the little box. So let me just open it up. So I think this is from the Dollar Tree, and I just put a bunch of Easter confetti in there. And I believe I got the confetti from, I think they're from Joann's, because I got this like way before Easter. I'm not even sure. I might have gotten them last year. And I didn't know if the girls had these confetti, so I'm just sharing. So look, it fits perfectly in there. Isn't that cute? I think I put too much stuffing in there, but and then you just close it up like that. Oops, yeah, I did put too much stuffing in there. And look how cute. So I'll take out some of the stuffing, but these are cute. So the little bunnies, you can either have them hold, you know, something there, or you can put the feet on them. So it gives you two options there, and put a little tummy right there. So really, really cute. So yeah, that's what I had planned to do with those. So I made a few of those little sequins mixes or confetti mixes. So they're going to go inside. So that's another thing that I didn't get to share with you guys. And then remember those containers that I got from I did a haul a while back when Hobby Lobby started putting out their Easter stuff, and I had gotten these little acrylic containers from Hobby Lobby. They were actually on clearance, so I did not get it for 89 cents. They were actually something like 24 cents, I think, or 33 cents. And then I had found these little, I don't know, I think they feel kind of like wood. But this was also from Hobby Lobby. It came in a pack and different colors. And I decided to, I talked about making this box. And I did. And I just didn't get to share with you guys. But here I just put some wooden pieces. These are from Michael's. But, you know, the little wooden pieces that you can get from Michael's. There are the bunnies and the chicks. So I thought that was really cute. And it closes. It's not going to open up. So, but will package them in a little clear bag. So yeah, I made those. So here's another one. In green. I just made different colors. Here's another one in yellow. Really, really cute. And you can find these little acrylic boxes. They have them in different sizes too. In the, I think where they have like the glass jars at Hobby Lobby. So here's a pink one. Really, really cute. So, yeah, those are the little, and I had made also, well, I also got the sequins. First of all, let me show you, remember this big pack of sequins that I hauled from Hobby Lobby? You get so much, and so I wanted to share that with the girls too. So I had made these little packs, and I decided to, you know, pack these separately because I didn't think it was going to fit in here because it's a pretty teeny tiny box. So yeah, I just made these little toppers. Just, you know, I just cut up, I think this is a 2" by 3" long, and then I folded it in half, and then I just used a punch that I have, which is a great punch. Let me share with you guys. This is a We Are Memory Keepers punch. I've had this for a really long time, and I love it. And they're just great for making little treat toppers. And what it does is it cuts, you know, the little, it looks like the store-bought, you know, how they hang this on packaging. So yeah, that is the punch, and it's a We Are Memory Keepers. I think I got this on Amazon, and it's really great. It's very versatile, and so yeah, if you like making treat toppers, this is a good one to have because you can pretty much make any size treat topper, and all you got to do is to just punch, and it works really well. So just throwing it out there if you guys are interested in that. So yeah, these are the little confetti mixes that I created. And since you couldn't really see these, the ones I put in these little treat, not treat, but little containers, these are the ones that I put in there. So this is, I think it's from Joann's, but they come with the little really pretty flour mix there, and then the eggs, and then the little teeny tiny bunnies. I love these. So hopefully my friends don't have it. I don't know. I think maybe Mimi might have these, but because Mimi has a bunch of sequins too, and she might have gifted me some, but I can't remember if she does have it. So in case, you can never have too much sequins, right? So yeah, that is just a little project share. I'm still working on Easter stuff, like I said, you guys. And so, yeah, maybe I'll share some more with you. It's more spring now, so spring / Easter, because I still want to send some to my friends, even though it's late. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.